we have a caption tag. So where we want to display the caption, either we can display the caption on top of the table, on bottom of the table, or center of the table, or right of the table. Anywhere we can display that particular caption. Okay, so what I will do, if I want to display the caption of the table, so what I will do, I'll just move here. Right here, I will give the caption. Here, I will give caption. Okay, then what we have to give the caption. Okay, the caption I will give like SVIT college details. Okay, I given the caption like SVIT college details. Close the caption. Right, I just save here. See, you got this content right above of the table. Okay, above the table. Correct. Next, if I want to display at the bottom of the table now. Okay, I want to display this content at the bottom. So what I have to do? Go to that particular caption tag. Use align equals bottom. Now it is top. By default, it will be in top. If you want to change the place, you can use that place name, bottom, top, right, and left. Okay, save this. Save this. Now you can see SVIT college details that this caption has moved to the bottom. It has moved to bottom. Okay, that is the use of the caption. Caption, we can use that at any side. Either we can use at the left side, right side, top or bottom. But where we want, we have to independently, we have to specify in the tag, in the caption tag. Okay, this is the basic introduction of the table. Basic introduction, right? So what are the tags we're going to use? Okay, we're going to use the caption. First, basically, we're going to use the table tag, then table row tag, table data tag, and the table data tag. Okay, what we want to display under the row, we're going to see that in the table row, right? Then followed with column span, row span, right? And we also seen some of the additional elements like border, width, cell padding, and cell spacing, right? And also at last we have seen the caption tag. Okay, with this structure, this is the basic structure of the table. In next class, we're going to use some style. Okay, we're going to use some style for this table. We're going to make more decorative for this table. Okay, so this is what the first concept, introduction of the table. Okay, introduction, we have covered the basic introduction part. Then we have seen some additional element, and we have seen the rows and columns, column span and the row span. It is spanning of rows and columns. These are some of the concept, sub concept or subtopics we have covered.